Hello, today I'm going to do a lesson where we're talking about essay basics. How to get like a 5-page essay with headers, with page numbers, and a title page with your text centered horizontally and vertically. I'm going to open up OpenOffice, open a blank text document, and we're going to have it at this faraway view at first, but then we're going to change that. I'm going to open up Lorem Ipsum. I'm going to copy it, Control-C, Control-V for paste, and I'm going to do that about 3 or 4 times. So I get, 3 pages is fine. So we're going to go to View, Zoom. I'm going to select 100% so we can see better. And I have my cursor before the L in Lorem Ipsum. We're going to insert header with default settings. I'm going to put my name. I am going to make up a class. And then for the page number, insert fields, page number. And then as you see, there's 2 tabs. One centered. So if your teacher wants it centered, you center it. And if they want it over to the right, you just tab again and it automatically puts it to the right. And then there's the rest of your page numbers. Very simple. Now you'll notice that it has these big gaps in between the paragraphs and single spacing. A lot of teachers are going to want double spacing with no extra spacing in between paragraphs and just a tab. So I'm going to backspace and hit tab. I'm going to do that all the way through. You see there's one little extra space in there, which is really odd, but I'm just going to deal with that. I'm going to close Lorem Ipsum. A couple more and we'll be through this. Okay, then I'm going to hit Control-A for all, and then Format, Paragraph, spacing, down here, single, go to double. Okay, and there you go, double spaced. Now, depending on the teacher, some teachers, when you put in citations, you're just going to do a parenthesis, put in the citation, and put in another space, and then you'll have a bibliography page that it references to. Other teachers are going to want you to actually put in numbers in order according to your references. If they do, you would put your number 1 or whatever number it is, highlight it, format, character, position, superscript. Okay. Then you would go to the end of your paper, put your cursor at the end, and say insert, manual break, page break. Okay. And then here you would put your bibliography. And then 1. And then for each book, say if you referenced the second one right here, you would put a 2, highlight, format, character, superscript. And then that references the second one. Now, if you have a teacher that does not want the page number on the last one, then what you'll have to do, there is a way to do it, and it has a lot to do with formatting style sheets, and we're not going to go into that. So if you want a bibliography without the page number, just do File, New, a new text document, and do your bibliography separate. Simple as that. Now, title pages. Again, there are ways of setting it up where you can do the title page, chapter numbering, all of that, but the formatting is not simple, and for a simple 10-page paper, I don't see the point in going through all that. So, File, New, Text Document, and you're going to want a block of text that is centered both vertically and horizontally. So the first thing you're going to do is you need to make sure that you have the drawing board down here, the drawing toolbar showing. If it's not down there, you go to View, Toolbars, Drawing, and make sure that it's selected. Mine already is, so I'm going to turn it off, and then go to View, Toolbars, Drawing, and now it is. So, Insert, Frame, and you anchor it to the page, and then on the positioning, make sure that vertical and horizontal are both centered. I'm also going to do automatic width and height, and I'm going to say OK. And a box shows up here. You click on the T, click inside the box, and put in whatever information your teacher requires. And I can't think of the name of the book right now. The Sound of the Baskervilles. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so to center that inside the box, you highlight, select the centered, and then you will notice that this has an actual line around it. To get rid of that, it is Format. We'll double click. If you just double click the box, go to Borders, None, OK. And that's it. So then you have it's centered vertically and horizontally. And then you have your page numbers. And like I said, if you want a bibliography without a page number, you would need to do it in a new document. And that's the easy way to set up a simple essay. Thanks.